This machine is a high-capacity vial crimping machine designed for pharmaceutical and laboratory packaging environments. It automates bottle feeding, cap placement, and spinning roller crimping to ensure secure, leak-proof seals with precision and consistency. Featuring a compact all-in-one design and low-noise electromagnetic cap feeder, it supports both standalone operation and seamless integration into existing production lines. Ideal for small to medium batch runs, this machine enhances packaging efficiency while maintaining strict quality standards for vial-based products.